Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing corporate tax documentation in the context of business visa extension. And the viewer may be asking themselves, what does one have to do with the other? Well, there is a great many support documents that have to be submitted with an application for extension of B visa status here in the kingdom, and some of that documentation pertains to corporate taxes. In the past, there was a bit of a cavalier attitude toward the support documentation associated with a B visa extension, because in the past, if one didn't have one's documentation in perfect order according to Thai immigration, they just simply leave, go to the Revenue Department, amend the documentation, and bring it back. These days, that is being viewed as pretensive or pretextual, and at best, they look askance at it. And in many cases, we're seeing situations where they simply say, no, you weren't in compliance, and therefore we're not going to go ahead and we're not going to go ahead and grant a B visa extension. You need to go out of the country and come back in status in order to be extended properly. This is just simply a shift in paradigm, and it's one that, has to be taken into account when looking to do business here in Thailand. It frankly is one of the reasons why we went ahead and created the division to deal with corporate services and tax and accounting, because they became so integral to the work permit and visa issues that most foreigners here face all the time. And it's important to note, it's not only probably a good idea to go ahead and get professional assistance in dealing with a work permit or visa application, it's also a very good idea to have assistance in corporate compliance, maintenance, corporate services, and accounting in-house oftentimes. It's a good idea to have somebody who's well-versed in dealing with those matters from the standpoint of getting a foreigner's B visa extension extended or their work permit, etc., because those individuals are going to know how exactly the interplay between, for example, corporate taxation and the immigration department actually works on a practical level, and for that reason be able to assist people in extending their business visa status in a smooth manner here in Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.